Hey there, thanks for watching our video over here at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of one of our pre-owned vehicles, the 2016 Chevy Camaro RS2LT model. Now this vehicle only has 29,749 miles on it, has only had one owner, and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your tinted windows all around the vehicle, and 20-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio speakers, jet black with a gray leather interior throughout the entire car. When it comes to the front of this Camaro, we do have our options to switch modes and traction control on and off. We have heated seating and cooling seating on both sides, your Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk Bluetooth, a heated steering wheel, and cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.